I think that Shanghai is a great place to study, to learn about Chinese law and international law. It's a large international city. It can accommodate a diversity of interests. And it's also a great place to build connections for the future if you're interested in international law.
A lot of people want to do business in China right now. And I remember even working at my law firm the last 2 summers, I was put on a lot of deals just because they saw that I could speak Chinese. So I thought I could learn a lot by going to Shanghai.
China's such a global hub for all sorts of legal work that happens right now, and it's sort of a country that I knew very little about, that I had very little history with, that I didn't speak the language at all. It's just going to get more and more important as we move forward in our careers.
Most of the students took a Chinese course for their level. I took a practical Chinese course that allowed me to go shopping and travel and navigate the city so that I could feel like I was immersing myself in the local culture.
We spent a lot of time exploring Shanghai, exploring the country. I mean, China's just different from anywhere I've ever really been, whether it's, figuring out how to order food and trying out local delicacies and exploring like the Zhongshan Park area where we lived, or exploring the rest of Shanghai. There's just everything you do is like a bit of an adventure.
I think that International Business and Investment Transactions was the most valuable course. It was taught by Professor Ni. He is a practitioner in Shanghai, so he could really give us a hands-on, practical approach to application of law in China and how foreign investment comes into China. I'm interested in pursuing a career in international arbitration, and studying in China definitely helped me on that path. I not only was able to take an international arbitration course, I was able to learn the laws governing international arbitration in China, which, given the amount of interactions between US and Chinese companies, that will be really useful.
After the course, you really felt like you could go and possibly arbitrate. So it was a really great course to take.
I think that the law in particular is obviously, when you're sitting in America, you're learning American law and New York law in particular. But this sort of brought a whole new aspect in, learning how American law sort of can be applied when you're thinking in a global way.